Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. I'm going to be working on this wood round today. I have taped the edges off and we're going to be doing a beach scene on this. This is a tray that has little legs on it. It's a fairly heavy tray. I don't want the resin going over the edges, so I've got it raised up just a little bit so that it will catch it. So we're going to start off with clear. I got some turquoise, some warm gray for the sand, and some white for the waves, and some Bahama blue. So what we'll do is put you in time lapse, and then we'll come back afterwards and take a look at what we got. So I'm putting down a clear coat and adding all the colors, and immediately I know that I got an issue because I can see through it. So, but I'm thinking I can put another coat on here. However, I was having trouble with air bubbles. I pop them and they would come right back up. So I decided to let this cure, and then I sanded it down, and I just went ahead and painted with the acrylics the colors that I wanted to use, and I actually added 2 additional colors. So I used a darker blue, and then I used a ocean green, but I had to sand this way down, and there was just no other way around it but to fill in the holes that was there from the air bubbles, and then sand it again, and then covered it with the paint. So I can put down the clear coat, and then I'm going over the same identical colors that I laid down in just the acrylics, adding the white for the waves, and I just really think it's turning out cute. I like the way it looks. Bring you in for a close-up. I don't have any problems with little air bubbles coming through, so hopefully as this cures that won't be a problem again. So we'll just let it set and then come back and see what we have. And I'll never understand why my camera changes directions. I got to figure out what I'm doing. But anyways, I've pulled the edge of all the tape off the edge, and have sanded down the lip that was there from where the resin was up against the tape. And I'm going to put a clear coat on this. So once again, put you in time lapse and coat this. This time I didn't have trouble with air bubbles, but I did have little dust particles. Don't even know where they come from, but they were there, and had to work it quite a bit to get them out, but I did, and got it all heated up. And then this is the cured version. I think it turned out really nice. I just love the wispiness of the white as the waves come in. And they're just kind of rolling. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like and share. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Hit that notification button and you'll receive notices when I upload my future videos. And I want to thank you for watching this one. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.